10 stylish small laundry rooms and closets. A mudroom is one of the most versatile spaces in your home, and serves as a landing pad for dirty boots, soggy raincoats, and so much more. Why not give it another use by turning it into a laundry room as well? This lovely space from in the Tudor house has 2 small units tucked away in a cabinet that can easily be closed off when not in use. This fun laundry room from Samantha_page_92 uses bold, patterned wallpaper to give the space depth and create a formal space for cleaning clothes. We love the rustic wall hooks to hang those delicate sweaters and the little pieces of decor sprinkled about to give the space personality. We love this laundry closet from Prepford Wife. Not only does it pack a lot into a small space, but the wicker baskets and shelving units help to keep the space organized and clean. If you have a small laundry room or closet, it's even more essential to keep clutter from gathering. We love this farmhouse chic laundry closet from Farmhouse_Fixer. Between the farmhouse sink, yes, even small laundry rooms can have a sink, and the reclaimed wood finishes, this room feels deliberate and purposefully decorated. What a small laundry room lacks in space, it can definitely make up for in style. But that doesn't make it less annoying when you're trying to find a place to store your detergent or stain remover. This laundry room from Sweet_Vintage_Market takes advantage of all of the wall space with shelving and hooks, making the square footage work even harder. If you can't spare a closet, let alone an entire room, to dedicate to laundry, this cute little setup from Damaris U Avila proves a rarely used corner can be the perfect spot for laundry. By adding a few framed pictures around the units, the space feels a little homier and more intentional as a true laundry room. One of the easiest ways to create more space in a small laundry room or closet is to add a plank of wood on top of your front-load washer and dryer as seen in this laundry space from Tag and Tibby. Not only does this help disguise the units, but it also gives you more surface space for sorting and folding. We can't wait to borrow this lighting idea from Shop Chez Marchant. Though you may not immediately think of an overhead pendant light as a laundry room accessory in this little laundry space, it's both practical and beautiful. Not only does it provide a little more light in a closed-off space, but it also lends a touch of ambiance to give the room character. The moody paint colors in this laundry closet from Paula Coldiron act as an optical illusion, allowing the space to almost blend into the wall and disguising the machines, even when the door is open. Is there anything Shiplap can't do? This space from Rustic Farm Shack proves that Joanna Gaines' favorite material is a great choice for quaint laundry rooms too. Even with full-sized units, this space doesn't feel cramped or overstuffed. By opting for an all-white palette, the machines almost blend into the Shiplap wall and give the illusion of more space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.